Now welcome back students, and today I am going to explain the question number 10 of the exercise 8.3. In the question it is given that the population of a place increased to 54,000 in 2003. It means that in the 2003 population of the place was 54,000 at the rate of 5% per annum. The growth of the population was 5% per annum. Then you need to find the two parts in this question. In the first part you need to find the population in 2001, and in the second it is given that what would be its population in 2005. So students, this question you are going to find that whatever the question you had solved before the question number 10, all the question up to the 9th you were given some amount, some money and some rate of percent, time was given, and in all the question up to 9th you had find the compound interest here, you had find the amount after the certain time, but here you are not given any kind of money. So here this question is the based on the only formula which you had applied in the previous question. It means compound interest formula you need to apply. So that is the application of the compound interest formula. Here you are going to apply the same formula in the population also. So here whatever the population in 2003 is there, so if you are going to solve population in 2003, that is given 54,000. The population of the place was 54,000 in 2003. The population is going to be increased by 5% per year. So it means rate percent are equal to 5% per annum. That is given. And now I am going to solve the first part. You need to find the population in the 2001. So population in 2003 is given, and you are going to find the population in 2001. It means you need to find the population 2 years back. It means 2003, and you are going to find in 2001. It means as compared to 2003, you need to find the population of the place before 2 years. So here you will take let population in 2001 was X. Why I am going to take X variable for the population in 2001? Reason is that whatever the population in 2001 was there, that population was increased by 5% per annum, and after 5% per annum increase, after 2 years the population became 54,000. In the year 2003 the population became 54,000. So whatever the population was there in the year 2001, on that population 5% per year increase was there in the population, and after 2 years the total population was 54,000. So that's why I have taken it X. Now you know the formula, A equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Now A, let the population in 2001, that we have taken X. So A equal to that P. So whatever the population in 2001 was that was X. X 1 plus rate was 5% per annum. So that is 5 upon 100. And 2001 population was X, and in 2003, it means after 2 years. It means time duration, after 2 years you got the population 54,000. So here 54,000 is the population after 2 years. It means that will be the amount. So it can be written as 54,000 equal to X into 1 plus, and here 5 it will be cancelled, 25 to 100 to the power 2. Yeah, it can be written as 54,000 equal to X into, it will be 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20. So you need to find the value of X. X will be the population of the that place in 2001. So send other value in the left side. So it will be 54,000 into 20 upon 21 into 20 upon 21. It is equal to X. So you need to calculate this, and I think it will be cancelled by 3 7 is 21. It will be 18 3 is 54, and it will be 18,000. Again 3 7 is 21, and it will be 3 6 is 18, 6,000. So it shows that 6,000 into 20 into 20 upon 7 7 ja 49 equal to x. So students, you need to calculate this and then you will get the value of x. So here you can write x equal to, you need to multiply. If you are going to multiply here 1 2 3 4 5 0 will be there, 2 to the 4 4 6 ja 24. So it will be 24 and there will be 5 0, 1 2 3 4 5 upon 49. So students, you need to divide it by 49. So once you need to divide it, so again you need to divide, and I am also going to divide this, and after that I will write the value of x. So can we divide that in the roughly. So students, after division I am going to get it. It is equal to 4 8 9 7 9.59. So that I am going to get it 48,979.59. So that is in the decimal, and students, the population will not be in the decimal. So you will write the approx value of this. So it can be written as 489 and 79.59. That will be written as 80. Approx value, if you are going to write the approx, that will be approx. So here you can write population in 2001 equal to 48,980. So it will be the population in the year 2001. So students, if you are going to calculate any value before the given time interval, it means value was given for the 2003 and you need to get the value for the 2001. So for the 2001 you will take x, and after that on the x you will apply the compound interest formula and you will get the value. Now for the second part, in the question it is given that what would be its population in 2005. So you need to find the population in year 2005. So whatever the population in 2003 is there, that is given, that is 54,000. So in the year 2005 means after 2003, 2004, 2005. So you need to find the population after 2 years. It means time will be 2 years, and whatever the population in 2003 is there, that is 54,000. So here you will write population in 2005. It means 2003, after that 2004 and 2005. After 2 years, so time will be 2 years, rate will be 5% and P will be 54,000. So A equal to, the formula will be same, P1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Yeah, A equal to, what is the present population in 2003? That is 54,000. And in 54,000, population will increase by 5% per annum. So it will be 1 plus 5 upon 100 to the power 2. In 2005, that will be after 2003, next 2 years. So A equal to 54,000 into, it will be 20. So that will be 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. That is 1. So 21 by 21, 21 by 20. Here 0 will be cancelled. It will be 27, 270. Again it will be cancelled. 135. So A equal to 135 into 21 into 21. So you need to multiply that, and if you are going to multiply, so after multiplication you will get it 59,535. So that is 59,535. So it means if the rate of the growth is 5% per annum and if the population in 2003 54,000, so by 5% rate in the 2005, the population will be 59,535. So here you can write population in 2005, that is equal to 59,535. So it is the solution of this second part. So students, in the second part you are going to find the population just after the 2 years, and in the first part we had find the population just before the 2 years. So that is after 2 years, and here it is before 2 years. So got the difference between both, how to find the population of any town if the rate percent is given. So kindly note down the complete solution.